Delete WhatsApp. If you're still using group chats to manage your team, you've already lost. There's a 29-month app that just killed the group chat era, and I'm about to show you why even your competitors are switching to it. Today at SaasTrac, we're exposing Connecteam, the digital director that promises to kill the chaos and give you your life back. The first wow moment? The one-app philosophy. Instead of your staff hopping between 5 different tools like a frantic squirrel, everything is on their phone. Within this single hub, they can clock in, check their schedule, and receive company alerts. The pro move? Their APIs can automatically send out sales summaries or low stock notifications. It's essentially like having a virtual floor manager running every store for you, while you actually get to enjoy your coffee in peace. Need a quick answer? Meet Skore AI. Your team can literally ask the app, "How do I restock the front display?" and get instant answers. It empowers them to be self-sufficient, so they stop calling you for every minor question. Combine that with the mobile help desk for reporting incidents, and you've just cleared the biggest communication bottleneck in your entire business. Scheduling is usually where managers lose their minds, but Connecteam's AI auto-scheduling handles the math for you, matching shifts with availability and specific skills. Once the shift starts, the GPS-based timesheets ensure everyone is exactly where they claim to be. It's the ultimate exorcism for the buddy-punching ghost that's been haunting your payroll for years. But operations are only half the battle. If your HR process is still stuck in 1995 with paper contracts and "I'll explain it to you later" training, you're hemorrhaging money. Connecteam digitizes the entire onboarding experience. Contracts, I-9s, and W-4s are signed right on the mobile app. Then, use the AI course builder to generate training modules for new menu launches or safety protocols in minutes. It turns a clueless new hire into a high-performing team member before their first shift is over. To keep that team from burning out, you need a high-performance culture. Connecteam's recognition and rewards feature lets you send public kudos for hitting sales targets, which employees can actually trade for gift cards. Add in an interactive org chart and back-end analytics that track labor costs versus sales, and you finally have the data to lead with actual confidence instead of just hoping for the best. Now let's talk about the silent profit killer, time theft. In this deep dive into time tracking, Connecteam reveals its secret weapon, geofencing. You can set a digital perimeter around your job site. If an employee isn't physically there, they cannot clock in. If they leave the zone, the app can automatically clock them out. It's a fair, transparent way to ensure you only pay for the hours actually worked, saving business owners thousands of dollars every year. 155. 246. Video 3. The timesheet validation process is where the boring work gets automated. Employees get a notification to review and submit their timesheets before the payroll cycle ends. This stops that horrific last-minute scramble to fix errors. For managers, the app highlights discrepancies, like missed punches or unauthorized overtime, in bright red, so you can resolve them with a click before they become a massive payroll headache. Finally, the final boss of admin, payroll processing. Connecteam offers versatile export options and pre-built integrations with heavy hitters like Gusto, QuickBooks, and Xero. Whether you need a custom CSV or a one-click sync, it removes the friction of manual data entry, ensuring your team gets paid accurately and on time every single time. 0000129 Video 4. Let's wrap this up with the foundation of it all. Operational communication. Most businesses are addicted to WhatsApp, but that's a disaster for boundaries and professionalism. Connecteam creates a dedicated business channel where work and personal life stay completely separate. You can post important announcements, company news, and essential reminders straight to the company feed. The engagement metrics here are a literal cheat code. You get clear visibility into exactly who read your important updates and who didn't. You can even send a targeted push notification nudge to the people who missed the memo. It creates a two-way communication channel that boosts collaboration and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. It's a human-centric tool that automates the boring technical grind so you can get back to being a leader. For the price of a few shift lattes, you're buying back 40 hours of your own time every single week. We're on a mission to find the software that actually scales your life. If this review helped you find a way to silence the chaotic group chats, hit that like button and subscribe to SaasTrac.